Let's say you want to remove this strawberry, but you can't because it's in a protected sheet, and you can't unprotect it because you forgot the password. In previous versions of Excel, you could run a macro to remove the password. It doesn't work that good anymore, but there's a trick that I will show you that will remove the password from this sheet. And you do that in these 10 steps. First of all, take a copy of the file because better safe than sorry. I'll show you soon what I mean with all these steps. Step 2, change the extension from an XLSX file perhaps to a zip file. Open up the zip file and then find the folder Excel and then the folder worksheet. And in the worksheet folder, you will see all the sheets. Here you drag and drop the correct sheet to another folder on your computer. You open up that file with WordPad or similar software, and then you search for the word protect, and that will get you to where it says sheet protection. And here you want to remove everything from this sign and all the text until you find this sign instead. You save it, and then in the zip file you replace the both files, the one without the password with the one with password. And then for the entire file you change it back to be an XLX extension. Let us do it together. First we copy the file, then we change it to be a .zip extension. It will ask you, are you really sure? Yes, I'm sure. Press on OK. Now it will turn to a zip file. We open it up. We find our Excel folder. We find our worksheets folder. And here you can see our sheets. And the sheet with the strawberry was in sheet 1. What we do now is that we drag and drop this sheet to another folder on your computer. Here you find it, and we right click on it. And we open it up with, for example, WordPad. We open up the search box, Control F, and search for protect. And here you can see it says sheet protection, and we want to remove everything from before this sign here to after this sign over here. Remove this and save it, close it, and then we drag it back. Here it says there's already a file. Do you want to replace it? Yes, I want to replace it. Now sheet 1 will be without the password. We go back, and this zip file we change back to be password1.xlsx. It tells you once again, are you sure you want to change the extension? Yes, I want to do that. We open it up, and you'll see if we go to the sheet with the strawberry and review tab, and you'll see that the protection is gone, and you can remove the strawberry if you want to. So if you've forgotten your password, this is a way to get around your struggles